Guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're here at TMC at 181 East Houston Street, and we're taking a look at Rise. This is the Rise Brewing Company, and they have a few different variations of this. This is my favorite coffee. In fact, one of the only ones that I drink. My favorite flavor would be the oat milk mocha. These are both vegan. They do have one that's not vegan, but I'm going to be trying out one that I kind of rarely have. It's the original black, and what it is, it's Nitro cold brew coffee. No sugar, no dairy, 7 ounces, USDA organic, and this one has 180 milligrams of caffeine. The other ones, because they have things like oat milk or regular milk, they have 80 milligrams of caffeine. So this one has the equivalent of 1 cup of coffee. This one here has the equivalent of 2 cups of coffee for this small little can here. They are all priced the same. Usually you can get them from around $2.99 to $3.99. So we're going to open this up here. It usually has this kind of interesting pop open. You'll listen and hear. Now, when I first started opening these up, around the people that I know, they kind of freaked out thinking that, oh, it's a can that was shook and then would explode. It's not exploding. It's just the nitrogen inside here that's kind of being expelled, and that's okay. So for this, I haven't had this one, the black, like nothing added, in a long time. So I'm going to see how it is as a base. Yep, that's black. That's just black coffee. There is really no sweetener. All right, so if we look at the nutrition facts, maybe you can take a look here. So that's 0 calories, 0 fat, sodium, potassium, carbohydrates, sugar, protein, all 0. So this is just purified water and organic coffee. That's literally all it is. So if you're looking for something that has a little bit of a flavor, I would go for the other variations, like the oat milk. They have the mocha, then the regular, and then they have one with regular milk, which is not vegan, of course. This is vegan, and it says, well, it does say naturally sweet, low acidity, clean energy. For me, I really don't find black coffee that sweet, but I can see how this is sweeter than maybe other coffees that you could get anywhere else. So yeah, again, that is black coffee. By itself, I wouldn't have it by itself just like the other ones. This one I may have to have with like a little breakfast sandwich or a breakfast cookie, something sweet, because for me, I'm used to having sweet things. That's really more of a me issue than anything, but let me know, what do you have in the morning? Have you tried Rise? You can literally get this. I've seen this at so many stores like Whole Foods, the store we have here. It's just been really, really good. So again, it does come in 7 ounces. You serve it cold, no dairy, no sugar. So this is a vegan product if you are interested. I mean, literally it's just coffee and water. And, oh, it's made in New York, New York. That's where we are here today. So this is interesting. Give it a try. It's kind of growing on me. It's okay. Black coffee is not my thing, but this, it could be your thing. Enjoy. All right, guys, you can find me on Instagram at m8b9. You can also email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.